Hi, in this tutorial you will learn how to create a Power Apps choice dropdown either from a Sharepoint list or a Dataverse table. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with Sharepoint. And here on Sharepoint, in this store site, I'm going to go to New, List to create a new list. Click Blank List, and then on the name of the list, let's call it T-shirts. Great. And here, let's add our first column. It's going to be a text type of column, and we're going to call it T-shirt. Click Save. And here for the second column, we're going to use the choice type of column. You see it's available here. So select that, click Next, and you're going to see that it is also here, type choice. And the name for the column is going to be size. Choice 1 is going to be small. Choice 2, medium. Choice 3, large. Choice 4, extra large. Click Save. And this one we don't need. Hide. Okay, T-shirt and size. Our store is ready now. Let's go to Power Apps. Here on Power Apps, I'm going to create a blank app, blank canvas app. I'm going to call it T-shirts store. Let's create a quick, simple look here for our T-shirt store. I'm going to add a rectangle top. Let's change the color to, let's say, orange. Okay. I'm going to add a text label. We're going to say, I'm going to make it big. The name of the store is going to be Cool Shirts Store. Let's increase the size, center it, make the font white, and let's say semi-bold. Okay, and here let's change the color to this one. Now we need to connect to our data source, to our Sharepoint site, to be able to use that data. Go to Data, add the data, Sharepoint, choose Sharepoint. This is going to be our data source. Select the store site and the T-shirts list. Connect. Now the T-shirts list is here. Okay, now let's insert an edit form. Okay, let's choose the T-shirts list as the data source, and it already will display some of the fields from that list. Let's choose just the ones we want. We can remove this one, and we can remove this one. Let's leave just these two. And see that by default, the T-shirt field comes as a text type of field, and the size field already comes as a drop-down, as it is a choice type of field in Sharepoint. Let's go here to the tree view, select the form, and change the default mode of the form to new. Since the idea here is that we're creating a form to insert a new record in the data source. And now we can preview our app. Click Preview, T-shirt, and here you see that it is a drop-down with the options that we added to Sharepoint. So let's say that we were adding a record here. Let's say blue T-shirt, size medium. Okay, nice. And that's how you add a Power Apps choice drop-down to your application using Sharepoint as a data source. Now let's see how to do that using Dataverse as the data source. I'm going to duplicate this first screen, screen 1. Now we have the second screen, and I'm going to delete this control that we don't need. Let's create our Dataverse table. Click back, leave the app, go to Tables, New Table, add columns and data. And here we're going to create the Dataverse table. Let's give the table the name T-shirts, save. First column is going to be T-shirt, which is going to be text as well, update. And second column, size. And again here on Dataverse, you see that there is the choice data type. So you select that, and let's add the first choice. Small, medium, large, extra large. Click Save. Now let's go back to our application. Click Create. Okay, good. The T-shirts table was created on Dataverse. Now let's go back to our application. And here on the second screen of the T-shirts store, I'm going to insert also an edit form. We will connect to the Dataverse table. So go to Data, add data, type T-shirts, and this T-shirts is from Microsoft Dataverse. Click that one. And now we also have the T-shirts from Dataverse. It added this number 1 at the end because we had another data source, the one from SharePoint, already with the name. Okay, now let's insert an edit form also. And this time we're going to select the Dataverse table as the data source. Okay, in just the same way that when we added an edit form using SharePoint as the data source and it inserted a drop-down with the choice options, here on Dataverse, the same thing happened. We have the drop-down with the choice options. And we can reposition these fields. To do that, take a look here on the side, and you can see the position of it. The first one is on position 0, 0, and the second one, it starts at 266. So let's invert that. Let's put the t-shirt field starting at 0, 0, and the size field, it's starting at 266. Okay, inverted. Nice. Now let's select the form and change the full mode to new. And now we can preview our app. And here you can see that the size field is displaying the options of the choice column from Dataverse. You can choose any of them and type the t-shirt name here. If you like this video, please click like. And if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.